Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. I was in a conversation yesterday with our friend Honda Farm about whether or not there's any benefit in using Valvoline Restore and Protect in a new or clean vehicle. And so I sent a message to the Valvoline team and I asked them, hey, if my engine is new or clean already, what benefit is there in using Valvoline Restore and Protect? Here's what they said. Although your engine is new and clean now, it may not stay that way. Restore and Protect protects against wear, removes deposits, and stops future deposits from forming. Could you specify which Valvoline full synthetic oil you would like to compare it to? We have several full synthetic products, including Restore and Protect. I said, say for an example, the next best Valvoline full synthetic oil to Restore and Protect. And then they said, we don't necessarily have an oil that we consider our best full synthetic oil. All of our products have different benefits to offer. However, if you are just inquiring generally, then my previous statement stands. Restore and Protect is the first and only motor oil in the market that actively cleans your engine, removing up to 100% of engine killing deposits and helping prevent future deposits from forming. All right, well, let me know what your guys' thoughts are. I know we have a few folks on the channel who are using Restore and Protect in their new engines, but let me know in the comments if you have a reason on why you wouldn't use it in a new engine. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.